Hello and welcome to Coding for Kids. In this first episode, we're going to look at downloading the software to code in Python and other possible ways to code Python without downloading something to your device. Firstly, you're going to go to google.com and type in Python, which will bring you to a page that looks like this. Once you click on Downloads, it'll redirect you to a page for Python downloads, and you're going to want to download the most recent version of Python. In this case, it's 3.8.2. Once you click on the name, it will take you to the Python release page. You scroll down to the bottom, and depending on what computer you have, you download the installer. I've got a Mac, so I downloaded the Mac OS installer, but if you've got a Windows, you use a Windows installer. Once you download that and install the software, it'll open a folder like this. You're going to download idle and move it to your desktop or to your documents somewhere that you know. And this is what we're going to code in Python. So this is our new editor. So we can code just like this, print hello world, and this is how we're going to do all of our work. Now, if you don't want to download something to your computer, Trinket.io/Python will be linked below. And this is a great online way to code Python that has all the same features. So print hello world, and it comes up down here. So this is the way that we're going to code Python in all the following tutorials.